Have you ever seen a circuit schematic and thought, where do I even start? You are not alone. Many struggle to turn the simplest into real understanding. I am Aragai from Phantom Tides, and in this video, I am not just teaching you how to read a schematic. I am helping you understand them by building and simulating a working battery tester using EveryCircuit. We will go step by step, simple by simple, and bring the circuit to life right on screen. Let's get started. Schematics are like the blueprint of electronics. Once you can read them, you unlock the power to troubleshoot, modify, and build a real circuit. But at first, they can look confusing. Let me help you change that. Here is what you will learn today. 10 essential schematic symbols, how to read a real schematic, how to simulate a battery tester using EveryCircuit, common mistakes it must be avoided. So let us start with the basic. 10 essential schematic symbols. Number 1, resistor that limits a current. Number 2, battery provide a power. Number 3, ground returns current to complete the path. LED light up where a current flows. Number 5, switch opens or closes the path. Number 6, capacitor stores charge. Number 7, inductor stores energy in a magnetic field. Number 8, diode lets a current flow in only one direction. Transistor switches or amplifies signal. Number 10, wire junction connects different parts of the circuit. Now let us talk about how actually read a schematic. Actually, this is the Phantom Tides 5 steps formula. Follow the steps and you will never be confused by the schematic again. Step 1, know the mission. Step 1 is simple. What is this circuit supposed to do? Are we light up an LED, charging something? In this case, our mission is to test if the battery still has a life in it. Once you know the mission, you will understand why behind the components. Step 2, find the power source. So, step 2 is find the power source. That is where electricity starts flowing. Usually a battery, a voltage supply, or USB line. This is the heart of the circuit. Everything connect to it. Follow the flow. Step 3 is trace the wire from the power source. See what connection where you are flowing the path of electronics. Like a train. Step 4, decode the symbol. Step 4 is learn what each symbol means. Like a zigzag that is a resistor. A triangle with a line that is a diode. A triangle with a line, it have an arrow that is a light emitting diode or LED. Each symbol tell you what's happened at the point in each circuit. So the last step, step 5 is spot the strategy. That means see how the circuit is organized. Are components in straight line? That is a stress. Do they split and meet again? That is a parallel connection. This tells you how current is shared and used. So to summarize, we have 5 steps to guide reading of schematic. Know the mission, find the power source, follow the flow, decode the symbol, spot the strategy. Now let us apply these steps in a real project, a battery tester built and simulated on EveryCircuit. So first, what is EveryCircuit? EveryCircuit is an interactive online tool where you can build and simulate a circuit visual. That is a beginner friendly and great for testing the schematic in a real time. And yes, there is a free version. Apply the symbols. Here are a simple battery tester schematic. So to do that, first access EveryCircuit step by step. Step 1, go to Google and type EveryCircuit. Step 2, click on everycircuit.com. Step 3, on the home page, click Launch Free Online Simulator. Step 4, then click on New Circuit to begin our building or our simulation. So now we are going to build the circuit in EveryCircuit. Now recreate step by step. That means here is the full circuit Simple but powerful. That means the full schematic is battery, ammeter, switch, resistor, LED, and ground. Now we will test how different voltages affect the LED brightness using EveryCircuit. With 9 volt, the current is around 21.2 milliamperes. The LED glow bright. This battery is strong. When we switch the battery from 9 volt to 5 volt, so at 5 volt, the current drops to 9 milliamperes. The LED is dimmer, still working, but weaker. And if we change the 5 volt battery to 2 volts, then if we test that at 2 volts, the LED does not light at all. The current is under 1 milliamperes. That means 961 microampere. So this simple circuit acts like a battery tester. Bright LED means good battery. Dim light means weak. No light means probably dead. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Wrong resistor value. It can be burn out your LED. Mistake 2. Light emitter diode reversed. It's not light up. It doesn't work, that means. Mistake 3. No ground. The circuit does not work when we are not connected to the ground. This small error can make a big difference, so watch carefully before run the simulation. Let us recap what we have learned in this video. You learn 10K schematic symbols. You read a real schematic. You built and tested the circuit in EveryCircuit. You now have the skill to move from confusion to clarity. That is powerful. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like. Drop a comment below. Let me know what project or circuit you want to next, and I will see you in the next video.